Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Asana, full guide step by step clearly. To register for Asana, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.asana.com and press enter. When the Asana homepage loads, look for the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email and click Get Started. Check your email inbox for a message from Asana. Open the email and locate the verification link. Click on the verification link to continue. You will be redirected to a new page. Now, choose a password for your account. Type your password in the designated field. Confirm your password by typing it again. Once you've filled in these details, click on Create Account. At this point, you may be asked to provide your first and fill in your name and proceed. Next, select your preferred workspace name. You can either create a new workspace or join an existing one. If creating a new workspace, choose a relevant name and click Continue. If joining an existing workspace, input the workspace details as required. Asana may ask for additional information about your team size and preferences. Fill out any necessary fields and click Continue. You will then be taken to the Asana dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. Congratulations, you are now registered for Asana. Explore the platform to optimize your team's project management tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.